Now we want to use a sharps needle to hand sew this silk. I've recommended 9 to 11. In this pack here I've only got up to 10, and that will be fine. So I'm just going to grab the 10 out of this pack. Grab that little one there. So it's a very fine needle, and I'll thread this with some thread that you can easily see me stitch the silk with, but ordinarily you would use thread that would match your silk. Now you don't want to get a too long a piece of thread at any one time, because it twists and knots if you're not careful, and it twists and knots even more so if you haven't got a conditioner, a thread conditioner to run the thread through. I am using a 100% polyester thread. Don't use 100% cotton with silk. If you've got a poly cotton, that's okay, but I am going to use, and I prefer to use, a polyester thread. Teeny tiny little hole. Okay, and then we'll just knot the end. And this is the time you would condition your thread as well. So run it through some thread heaven or beeswax or something, but a thread conditioner if you've got one handy.